Hi, my name is Emily O'Brien, and I'm an assistant director here at UNC Chapel Hill in their Office of Undergraduate Admissions. We're so excited to hear that you're interested in Carolina, and we can't wait to read your application soon. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about the extracurricular portion of the application. In this portion of the application, we hope to hear what you're involved in outside of the classroom and why it's meaningful to you. When filling out this part of the application, please remember that extracurricular activities are not just clubs, performing arts, sports, or other school activities, but also include activities such as working a part-time job, taking care of family members, volunteering, being active in a church or religious community, or other things you choose to spend your time on. When sharing each activity, we hope you'll include details on how much time you spent on this activity, how long you participated in it, and what your specific role is. Remember, we want to get to know you and how you've chosen to invest your time, talent, and energy outside of the classroom. Carolina students are so passionate about many different topics and involved in many different things. So there's no cookie-cutter activity that we're looking for here. We want to see what makes you, you. And we're so excited to see how you would fit into the Carolina community.